Come on, man, walk away and do that. Mark, that's taunting, man.
Yeah, man, so shit, man, I'm gonna need y'all help on this one, man, because I'm not understanding, man. Shit. Hey, this is my man Avione, man. Avione is a goddamn 12U assassin. You know what I mean? On that defense. Avione brings that hot sauce. So, yeah, man, last Saturday, my man came up, Avione, man, and he brought that hot sauce. And then after he brought that hot sauce, the goddamn referee threw a flag on the man. Now, I need y'all, man, if any coaches on here, if any experts on motherfucking Virginia high school or Virginia youth football rules, I need y'all, man, to explain to me what my man did wrong here. Because I thought, goddammit, after you hit somebody, you couldn't stand over top of them and look down on them. That was my goddamn understanding. But shit, they changed the fucking rules so much in Virginia, especially in goddamn high school and youth football. I got tired trying to keep up with that shit. So if any coach on here, man, explain to me what my man Avione did wrong. Because goddamn it, I don't see it. My man, he made contact and he stood up, he looked at my man, and then he bounced the fuck off. He ain't stand over my man, he bounced the fuck off. So help me to understand, man. Shit, I ain't no goddamn coach. But I played a whole lot of motherfucking football, high school and college. And I ain't never seen the shit that I've been seeing, man, with these motherfucking referees and this youth shit, especially in Hampton and Newport News, with all these goddamn flags, man. Every time they hear some loud contact, they throw a motherfucking flag. So you telling me if I make a big hit, I can't look at the man at all? After I make a hit, I supposed to immediately turn my fucking head away from the man that I just hit? Come on, man. Where the fuck they do that at? Avione, good hit, baby. Keep bringing that pain, man. And also, I want to give a shout out to my man that took that hit. He took that hit like a motherfucking man. He stood up and said, shit, that won't shit, and ran on back to his goddamn huddle. I mean, shit, he wasn't even mad. So why you mad? Why you throwing a flag? That man, he the one that got hit, and he not mad. Go ahead with that crazy shit, man. Y'all fucking the game up, bruh.
Killer shit, guys.
You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit,
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone in these streets, cousin. You all alone in these streets, cousin.
It's a killer shit.
You all alone.